Hi everyone, let's see what we are going to create. You see, it has nothing in that, but the real effect is here. Now, I want you to take a look. The way that the pictures are coming out is really nice. So let's see how we can create that. See, this is where the magic happened. We have the pictures here. So let's see how we can create that effect. At first, we need this picture. The picture is nothing special, but before that we need to create some shape. Hold shift 1, hold shift, reduce its size 2, a little space 3. Okay, it's up to you that you want it to have tilde down or not, and because of we reduce its size and bring it up. Bring it up and bring another one in the down, and then select and create a copy of the 2 and here 3. Then bring this 2 up and here. Everything is nice and aligned. Then select all of them by Ctrl A, Ctrl A, make the shape format and shape outline to none. Then from the background, we copy this picture here. We select this and picture background from the clipboard, but with a little difference you must understand is that everything is right. Now we go to shape format and from here merge. You see it's not open. Why? Because these are all one shape. So how we can make the merge an option? The thing is that you need to copy this slide, paste it here, then select all of them and go to shape format, then merge them. But you see there is a problem. The problem is that the way that to select the shape first or the thing last is important. So I send it to the back, select it and reselect these things, go to shape format. You see we are getting somewhere here, but the thing is that they are all one shape. So there are many ways to do that thing, but as you can see we have a lot of problem. The problem here is that these shapes are in one slide, so we need to have this shape one by one. Then copy that, send it to the back, select all of them by Ctrl A, go to fragment. You see it's a little hard to progress, but after progress you see we have the shapes. Now we need to press Ctrl A here, then hold Shift and Ctrl to reduce them in size. You must remember that the shapes are not going to rotate, because if they rotate your work is done. Okay, it's nice, none of them is rotated. Now we paste this picture here, or you can just simply not paste any picture here, it's up to you, but I'm going to paste it anyway. Okay, we paste one picture, then we copy this slide, then we bring it up, very up to move fast. Then let's find our picture. The picture is here. Then select all of them and increase them in size by holding Shift and Ctrl both in one place. Now we must have the text and paste it here. For the background there is a rule that you can use the fields from here, the color of the clothes, but you see this kind of background is going to be dull. Because of that I'm going to use the gradient fill and In this way, it's going to look better. Then set the transition to morph. And let's take a look to what we created. You see the effects? I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice time.